Welcome back to Car Xplorer. Today we're diving into something really special from Toyota, a name that might spark nostalgia for many. Yes, we are talking about the rebirth of the legendary Toyota Cressida in its 2026 form. After decades, Toyota has decided to revive this classic sedan, not just as a throwback, but as a completely modern luxury sedan that combines Japanese craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, and performance designed to rival some of the best in the world. The 2026 Cressida is here to reclaim its place as Toyota's flagship sedan, and it has arrived with a statement. Starting with the exterior, the new Cressida has a design that is sleek, elegant, and futuristic, while still maintaining a dignified executive presence. Toyota has blended smooth sculpted lines with sharp accents to create a silhouette that is aerodynamic yet commanding. At the front, the wide grille with a new illuminated Toyota badge sits between slim LED headlights that stretch into the fenders, giving the car a sharp and modern face. The daytime running lights have a unique L-shaped signature that makes the car instantly recognizable, especially at night. Along the sides, you'll notice a long flowing profile, flush door handles, and chrome accents that highlight its luxury status. The rear is just as impressive, with a full-width LED light bar, dual exhausts integrated neatly into the bumper, and subtle curves that give it a sporty touch. The 2026 Cressida rides on 20-inch alloy wheels that perfectly balance elegance with performance. Step inside, and you are immediately welcomed by Toyota's vision of modern luxury. The interior of the Cressida feels like a premium lounge, combining minimalist Japanese design with state-of-the-art technology. Soft leather surfaces, real wood trims, and brushed aluminum accents create a rich, tactile experience. The driver's seat feels commanding yet comfortable, with a 14-way power adjustment, memory function, and both heating and cooling. The dashboard is dominated by a massive curved display that merges the digital instrument cluster with the central infotainment system, powered by Toyota's latest AI-based interface. It supports full voice control, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even personalized settings that adjust lighting, music, and seat positions depending on who is driving. The rear cabin is equally impressive. Passengers get reclining seats with heating and ventilation, their own climate zones, and entertainment screens integrated into the seatbacks. Ambient lighting runs throughout the cabin with customizable colors, creating the perfect atmosphere for both business and relaxation. Toyota has also introduced advanced soundproofing, so the cabin remains whisper quiet even at highway speeds. Of course, for entertainment, the car is equipped with a premium JBL surround sound system that makes music come alive in every corner of the vehicle. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota Cressida offers two powertrain options. The first is a refined 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6, producing around 400 horsepower, delivering smooth yet powerful acceleration. The second is a hybrid powertrain that combines a turbo 4-cylinder with electric motors, producing about 350 horsepower while significantly improving fuel efficiency and lowering emissions. Both versions are paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and can be had with either rear-wheel drive or Toyota's advanced all-wheel drive system. Adaptive suspension ensures a balance between sporty handling and comfort, making the Cressida a true grand tourer. Safety, as always with Toyota, is a top priority. Thanks for watching Car Xplorer, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our next in-depth car review.